Kani kadai ka Batisi TV, bat pidang pet ya ka kubor baman kasni, belawan ra shapi da ka umrupa, ringkat bat ka orange Nissan, lom sopo near Fire Brigade Ground, Shillong.
New Nissan Kicks. Bookings open now.
Menteri Ketenaga Pulih Putih ke Sarkar Pak Lakmen Rumbui ulai itu bak Sarkar jela kala Shimkia halor ke jingsha penpra ke Ying School jong ke SSA Lower Primary Kle Umwang hagi Pulit Assam dang Shen. Haba jubab ya ke call attention notice balawan ra da MLA kaliang persya na nongpo uba Meral Bonds im na kaliang uni menteri ulai itu bak Sarkar jela kala Shimkia bha ya kani bat kawat ya kilat kilenti khnang ba onla ban beteng ya ki kampen roy lakalong ha ke Pulih Putih lani ke imlang salang na ke benta ke jingmentoi Nong Shang Shnong barki khana sekolah ka time.
So this is an issue which has been happening every now and then in the border areas in which our neighboring state Assam has been involved in so many activities to destroy the buildings which have been constructed by the government of Meghalaya. As we know, border issue is a sensitive issue, sir. And anything happened there also is a very sensitive matter. This is the incident happened on the 10th of August 2018, where the school known as the Kle Umwang LP School under SSA were destroyed by the Assam police, where they brought JCBs to destroy the constructed building, school building. Sir, the time is running very fast. It's already 7 months has been passed since this incident has happened. And from the government and the department, as per the report, till now, the school managing committee or the authority where they haven't received anything till date, any kind of assistance. According to the report from the media and from the local villages and the managing committee, as I have said, no financial assistance has been received. So the total number of students also, according to the report, it has been increased day by day. So they don't have a classroom to sit, and at the same time, they cannot start the current academic session of this year 2019. So this irresponsible and stepmotherly treatment toward the problem faced by the villages in the border area with Assam from the government has prompted and forced the school managing committee, the teachers and the villagers to make a temporary shed for shelter for these students so that they can sit and start the school in time. So this attitude of the Assam police under the supervision of the Assam government is condemnable and cannot be accepted in the present democratic setup. The government of Assam is still continuing to do so. Many developmental work in Right Nongtung Ribhoi district, sir. Like the government of Assam, they have already made one stadium in Umlaper, the road from Umlaper to Pompra. But whatever developmental work done from our side, it has been disturbed and dismantled. So even though the making of this temporary shed is in full swing by the managing committee, the local Darbar and the teachers, but at the end of the day, it is only a temporary shed. And at the same time, it cannot cater all the students, which there are more than 100 students who are studying in that school. So I sincerely urge and request the government of the day and the Department of Education to take serious note on this contentious issue in the form of immediate financial assistance so that they can have a proper school building to study. So this kind of incident may happen in future. It may happen anywhere in other border of our state. So immediate action has to be taken by the concerned department. So thank you, sir, for allowing me to raise this issue. It is a very important issue, and I thank you for allowing me to speak, and I hope the department will take necessary action at the earliest. Thank you.
Minister, please.
Mr. Speaker, sir, I would like to express my gratitude to the Honourable Member Shri Meral Bons M&A Nongpo for calling attention notice under the Rule 54(1) of the Rule of Procedure and Conduct of Business on the newspaper caption appearing in the Bupan dated 27 Feb 2019 with the heading Bam Yarap ka Sarkar Sherdara ka Manjing Committee but no hikai ban shong giknasko. I thank him for his interest and concern on education in the state of Meghalaya. Sir, I also would like to inform the Honourable Member of this House that the call attention notice raised by the Honourable Member have been noted by the Department and the matter is being closely examined by the Government. I would like to inform the Honourable Member and the August House in entirety that on the hearing the news of demolition of the school building by Assam Police personnel, the District School Education Officer directed the block official to visit the affected site, and official promptly responded with the site inspection on 10th of August 2018 and reported that some part of the building which is under construction, sanctioned by the Office of DMC District Unit of SSA Smam Nongpo Bhoi District Nongpo for the year 2017-18 was destroyed by the Assam Police at around 11:30 am using JCB. It was reported that out of 12 pillars, 7 pillars has been demolished along with the frame slab and raw material mean for the construction was also destroyed. Sir, I am to inform the House that the progress of work in the demolished school is above 50%. The year of sanction of the Kli Umwang SSA Lower Primary School building was in 2015-16 and the amount of sanction was 19,97,500, of which the first installment of 9,98,750 was released. It may be noted that the second installment could not be released for the construction due to the fact that the department is apprehension that for further investment disputed areas. Nevertheless, the second installment would be promptly released if the administration assured the department that no untoward incident take place again. At the same time, the department shall also propose an additional financial report to the affected school in the annual work plan and budget 2019 and 1920 under the major repair work in addition to the balance amount. The matter was also taken up at a joint meeting between the Deputy Commissioner of Ribhoi District and the Deputy Commissioner West Karbi Anglong, where it was argued that the area where the school is being constructed is under dispute. The Deputy Commissioner Karbi Anglong informed that due to poor connectivity, the administration could not gather information of the incident and hence could not stop the demolition. It was agreed in the meeting that henceforth, prior to undertaking any development work in the disputed areas or border areas of the listed work should be shared between the Deputy Commissioners to intervene and prevent such loss to the estate exchequer and to the school children in particular. Sir, it may be noted that the affected school is located in Block 2 area, which is a disputed area, and any further investment by the Education Department will be futile if the current situation is not solved by the both state. So the state government is taking this issue seriously and solution to the problem being explored by the state government so that the social and educational development work could be implemented for the benefit of its residents and the school children in those areas. So by expressing my gratitude to the Honourable Member for raising this issue through the Constitution on behalf of the government, I seek the cooperation and support of all the members of this House to support the effort of the department so that this type of things will not happen and should not be happen in the future. Thank you, sir.
Thank you.